Happy February. Our current real estate market really is a tale of two different stories. Much like the weather we've been seeing lately, freezing temperatures on the East Coast and record-breaking highs here on the West Coast, I'm seeing daffodils in bloom and cherry blossoms on the trees. Our real estate market is showing a clear contrast from where we were just a month ago. January brought a noticeable shift on the east side. Pending sales were up 26% year over year. That's 374 homes going under contract compared to 297 last January. That tells us buyer activity has picked up in a meaningful way. At the same time, inventory increased 49%, rising from 452 homes to 675. That puts us at about 1.8 months of inventory. For perspective, this time last year, we were at just 0.9 months. So buyers are seeing more options than they did in 2025. Pricing has adjusted as well. The average price is down 16% from a year ago. Now at approximately $1.435 million compared to $1.709 last January. We're also down about 4% from December, though slightly higher than November. It's important to note, though, that January pricing reflects homes that went under contract in November and December. And given the increased activity we saw in January, I expect we'll see that pricing gap begin to narrow as more recent sales close. The strongest segment of the market continues to be homes priced between $1 million and $2 million. In the $1 to $1.5 million range, nearly 39% of homes sold within the first 30 days. And in the 1.5 to 2 million range, that number rises to almost 46%. Demand in these price points remains very strong. While some buyers are taking a more cautious approach due to uncertainty in the job market, limited inventory and steady demand, particularly in the mid to upper price ranges, are helping keep prices relatively firm. On the financing side, mortgage rates have remained fairly stable. The 30-year fixed rate moved slightly from 6.1 to 6.11% this week, according to Freddie Mac. Rates have stayed within a narrow range so far this year and remain well below where they were last year. Last January, average rates were over 7%. So while the market may feel mixed at times, the data is telling a clear story. Buyer activity is increasing, inventory is improving, and well-positioned buyers and sellers continue to find opportunity. I'm Rick Franz with Windermere Real Estate, and just imagine where you could be.